In Camtasia 2021, the Extend Frame function is a powerful tool that allows you to extend the duration of a specific frame in your video project. It can be useful in various scenarios, such as emphasizing an important point, creating a slow motion effect, or giving more time for viewers to read on screen text. Let's create an example of Extend Frame function in Camtasia. First, navigate to the timeline to the point where you want to extend the frame. In our example, we will split the video at the point we want to extend the frame. After we have split the video, move part of frame to the right-hand side to give us room to work on timeline. Next, align the playhead at the end of video we want to extend. Right-click and select Extend Frame. The frame will extend to the right side. You will notice that the extended frame does not show the duration adjustment to change the time. Don't worry, just drag and drop as needed. Now you will be able to drag extended frame to your desired length on timeline. Now you can drag video from right to left and position it next to the extended frame part. Play back the video and see if it's okay and make the necessary adjustments. After viewing the video, you can add audio, closed captions, and additional media to complete your project. Remember to check out the next Camtasia tutorial as I upload it.